This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Crystal.cowell. 4,400 square foot home. 3,000 square feet of completely renovated. To include, new flooring, new paint, new wiring, new plumbing, new bathrooms from top to bottom, a new air conditioner and till, new kitchen cabinets, new countertops, and new appliances. The renovated space includes 7 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms. The other 1,400 square feet is in middle of construction and needs to be finished out. Currently being used as shared space living, but could also be used as a single-family home. Potential is limitless. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal.cowell at 479-774-3388.